Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, you need to access calendar and click on the month above. Then pick a date and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here select event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour, ending 1, or turn off this feature by clicking on the switcher's array next to all day. You can also select people from your contact book, view your schedule, choose location, set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, change color, and even take notes. When you're done, click at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it by clicking it, tapping on those 3 dots at the top right corner and tapping on delete. Then confirm your choice by clicking on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!